There's a formula that changed our understanding of the universe forever. E equals mc squared. It says one simple but mind-blowing thing. Energy and matter are basically the same thing. They only differ in their state, just the speed at which they exist. We can see mass. Energy? Not so much. But they are two sides of the same reality. It's like water and ice are the same substance, just in different forms. This means that anything that has a wave function can, under certain conditions, become a real tangible thing. And that's where the real game begins. If everything is energy, then what makes it stop and turn into a physical thing I can pick up with my hands? What is actually material? What gives it weight? What decides when something becomes real? Today I want to show you how you yourself can control this transformation, how to turn a thought into reality. How does energy become matter? It all depends on one thing: speed. When pure energy slows down, it turns into matter. When matter is accelerated to a crazy speed, it turns into pure light. Move at the speed of light and your mass will become infinite. Therefore, no object with mass will ever reach the speed of light. The limit is not in the universe. The limit is in the object itself. The limit is you. Your desire to change something is energy. The result of the change is matter, the form into which your internal energy has settled. What remains when we dismantle matter? If we break matter down deeper and deeper, eventually what remains are particles with almost no mass, like tiny bursts of energy, held together by charge and vibration. It begins to seem that materiality is nothing more than condensed energy that somehow takes on form. Only see what moves at our speed. Imagine two trains moving side by side at the same speed. We can clearly see people in other windows. But if the trains pass each other at great speed, everything merges into lines. We can't see anything. Not because there are no people, but because their speed of movement does not match ours. The same with the world around us. We can't see electrons, viruses, light quanta. They vibrate at a different frequency, at a different speed level. Invisibility is not non-existence. It is a mismatch of speeds. Materiality appears only when speeds align. For a phenomenon to become material to us, one of two things must happen. Either we slow down to its speed, or we accelerate our perception to match its vibration. We used to call viruses demons, until we invented the microscope. The microscope is an acceleration of the mind. It tunes our vision to the microworld. The same thing happens with thoughts. Thought as energy. Change as mass. A thought is energy. Change is already mass, form. For a thought to become reality, inertia must be overcome. That heavy, invisible weight that slows each of us down. The mind connects energy and matter through attention. It's like a hook. Tie it to a flying bird. The mind speeds up. Tie it to a growing tree. It slows down. A person whose mind moves too fast will plant a potato, dig it up a week later, and feel disappointed. Their speed of perception is too great to notice the slow, quiet rhythm of growth. But the one who knows how to slow down sees the broader process, from seed to harvest, from harvest to vision, from vision to the future. We need to know how to speed up the mind at times, and at other times, slow it down. Only then do we begin to see processes at their true scale. The mind becomes like a radio receiver, picking up more and more frequencies as its range expands. The essence of the mind's expansion. It begins to see not only fast phenomena, action, ideas, noise, but also the quiet, slow rhythms that truly shape life. The expansion of the mind is the ability to see both light and matter, both energy and form. When the mind expands, life reveals itself, wider, deeper, truer. Every thought is a seed. Every desire is a vibration. Every step is form gaining mass. And then you can direct your attention, your energy, your effort more precisely, and turn desire into reality. You are energy learning how to become matter.